guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I cut and juice my celery for a celery cleanse. First, we're going to start off by washing the celery to remove any debris. Then we're going to cut the top part of the celery. That's the toughest part. Then we're going to cut off any other part that is damaged or needs further trimming. And then we're going to cut off the top part, because sometimes the top part can leave some bad leaves that I really don't like. I rather cut it off instead of juicing it. So we're going to continue washing the celery and take out any celery that is damaged or is not good for juicing. So please continue to watch and I'll show you how I prepare my celery juice. I'll be using a juicer, so it's a lot easier for me when I use a juicer. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.